It might look like mint or oregano. It looks humble and intriguing at first glance. Lemon balm, or Melissa officinalis, is perfect for a late-night herbal tea. This fuzzy-leaved perennial plant is effective in healing the nervous system. Learn more as we dive deep into the world of lemon balm. In the video, you'll find out how to grow lemon balm, how it'll help you with a new approach to healthy healing. We'll even help you see the cautions of it to keep you safe, and much, much more, so keep listening. This lemon-scented beauty is often overlooked and not known about. I tried this tea years ago on a yard work job and fell in love. Just heat it up and enjoy it with a dash of honey. History tells us this plant is super gentle and effective at healing anxious minds, lifting your depressive mood, and could reduce stress hormones, allegedly easing mental tensions and even enhancing your cognitive function, keeping you alert and present. Some healing properties even include relief in bloating and, for ladies, cramps. Lemon balm is a relatively good topical and internal goddess. In the Middle Ages, people called this herb the elixir of life. When your mind feels like it's running in circles, busy, restless, emotionally heavy, etc., lemon balm works like a soft exhale. There are many more benefits, as it's a wealth of health. This plant is a reminder that natural healing gently happens, and without force. In a fast-paced world, natural remedies are what help us slow down and grow immunity. Lemon balm is an ingredient that's used widely in perfumes and cosmetic products, but not very known. The oils from the plant are the special ingredient. There are even some clinical trials that were conducted and resulted in lemon balm creams helping treat cold sores. Though every plant has its own cautions, the only known cautions noted are for people with notable thyroid conditions. Two common ways to use the plant for healing interaction is by using it in teas or simply by an oil tincture. If you see my other videos like this one, I show you how to make your own tincture right at home. Growing the herb is a wonderful thing because it's rather easy and straightforward. Since lemon balm is a part of the mint family, you should expect it to spread over the course of its life. Some shy away from using mint plants for this very reason. Some even suggest it's invasive and shouldn't be planted at all. But if you give it its own space, you don't have to worry too much. Start by getting a seed packet of lemon balm and planting a tray of seeds indoors, a couple weeks before the last frost in spring. Always plant these guys in well-drained soil and mostly sunny locations, to full sun locations. Just remember, these are perennials, meaning they come back every year and more bountiful than the last. It'll bring pollinators back to the environment, which is desperately needed in today's global state. If you shy away from the invasiveness nature of it, just simply be fluid in deadheading them. Something to also note, it can be grown in pots to control spreading. And just like that, we've arrived at the heart and soul of the plant lemon balm. The research, studies, and overall suggestions have made this plant a real stunner in the Botanical Tales books. If you just enjoy the lemon scent, the medicinal benefits, or you're just truly a curious George and wanted to know more, we hope you did. Happy growing and healing. Every leaf tells a tale.